The National Consumer Commission will be reopening an inquiry into the holiday and timeshare industry. This inquiry will seek to identify the root causes of the problems experienced by consumers when dealing with this industry. Commissioner Ebrahim Mohammed told the media in Pretoria that the vacation ownership industry has done little or nothing to correct itself.
The holiday and timeshare industry accounts for 2 billion rands of GDP. While this industry has come in handy in helping many people to go on holiday, this has often come at a hefty price and has caused unhappiness to holiday makers. Consumers complain about being locked into one-sided contracts, misleading marketing and non-delivery of services.
Consumers allege, amongst others, that they've been misled into signing up for lifetime contracts that can never ever be cancelled. They allege further that these providers, companies, overbook and oversell accommodation, leading to a lack of accommodation when consumers need them, and that timeshare companies threaten them with litigation if they cannot afford to pay levies for properties which they never get to stay in or to enjoy because the properties are always fully booked.
In 2015, the Commission lodged an application to the tribunal, but later withdrew it because of technical defects that were harmful to its case. The National Consumer Commission says it's now ready to look into these allegations.
In terms of the law, the tribunal, which is not the Commission, may impose administrative fines, and that would be 10% of the respondents' annual turnover during the preceding financial year, or R1 million, whichever is the greater.
Gauteng, followed by KwaZulu-Natal, have come up as the top provinces where this malpractice is allegedly rife. And with nearly 7 months left before the holiday season is upon us again, consumers are advised to use caution.
When consumers go on holiday, they are most vulnerable because they go on holiday with their credit cards, with their families, and then while you are traveling from your province with a bus, going and staying in a 3-star hotel, and somebody comes in and sells a package that say to you, in the next financial year you can afford to stay in a 5-star hotel, and then we can have your children along and all that, and selling this, marketing this, making it so rosy. So people become vulnerable because they have disposable income, they've got their credit cards with, and then they also have their children with them. So when they are invited to this presentation is that please don't take along your family and all that, so that you become compromised, because marketers, they find a better way, and they know that while you are there enjoying yourselves, you are most relaxed, you don't even have the time.
This inquiry is expected to be completed in November. 3 experienced attorneys, Diane Terplanch, Ebrahim Mohammed and Zandile Mpungose, have been appointed to lead the inquiry. Consumers have been urged to come forward with information that can assist the inquiry. Diabosito, SABC News, Pretoria.